Alrighty, so today I'm going to do a two-strand twist style. This actually minimizes your locks. As you can see, I got a lot of them. So two-strand twist makes it a little bit more manageable, especially for the summer. I can just put them all up or do whatever. It just makes life easier. So I just finished washing my hair in the shower. If you tried to wash your hair with all those locks in the sink, it would be a little rough. So as you can see, I'm just putting oil in my hair. You'll see the oil that I'm putting in my hair pop up in a second. And I use peppermint oil that it helps with the itch. You don't need a lot of it because it's really potent. Black castor oil, olive oil, and vitamin E oil, tea tree oil. There's just a lot of different oils I put in there. And it just helps with my scalp, keep it moisturized. If your scalp isn't moisturized, and your locks will be dry. That's just what it's going to be. So anyway, put all that in my scalp. I also make sure that I go through my locks as well, making sure that my scalp is oiled. And then I separate it and just make sure again that my locks are oiled too. So usually the oil lasts for like 3 days. So I have to do it all the time because my scalp just soaks it up. I tried hair grease when I first started locks. That was a no-no. Talk about buildup. So I was like, nah, we'll just stick to the oil and just do that. I use different things to retwist. Right now I'm using Felicia Waji's Lock It Up gel. I really wouldn't call it gel. I'd call it some type. It's like a clear cream. That's the consistency of it. I usually don't retwist my hair. I am an interlocker. So I interlock my hair about every 3 months. So in between time, I retwist occasionally. Usually I don't retwist often. One, because I just put my hair in a wrap because it's so hot. But if I'm trying to be fancy or again do a style like this, I think it looks better when it's retwisted or freshly interlocked. So today I'm just retwisting. So as you can see, you just retwist, and then to make your two-strand, you just go the opposite way of what you retwisted. I don't know what that is on my face, but anyway, yes, you go the opposite way of what you retwist. Otherwise, there'll be a big gap, and your retwist won't stay by itself. Your two-strand twist won't stay by itself. Excuse me. So I'm just securing it with a rubber band, and that's pretty much it. And then you just finish the rest of your hair. You can put it in so many different styles. Pull it back. I just put it in a bun here, as you can see. And that is two-strand twist. Thanks for watching.